Hey folks, let's do today's CSS battle. Loading. Let's do it in night mode. Why not? Oh, that's a fun one. This is fun. This is fun. Okay. So what is the shape? What is this shape and how do we do it? Let's use this style. And we're gonna do background of white. And we're going to do this background is this clump. All right, and so what we need to do is we need to, I believe it's skew 15 degrees or something, or is it transform colon skew and then parentheses like that. That's what we're trying to do. All right, so put that in our pocket and let's put this into place. And I think the way to do that is we're going to do the margins on the body here. So if I can get this to align properly, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it's taller, 140, 50, 60. Okay, and then different margins. Might need to do like that, 50, 60, 70, 72. And this is 1, 10, 20, 30, 32. All right, let's put that skew on it. 14, 20. Oh, that could be right. So if we adjust these margins, so let's add what, 90 to this, make this 90, and then we decrease this to 110. So make that 82, 90, 102, and then decrease this 2. So make this greater, 20, 102. Okay, that's the idea. Eighteen, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, so close, so close. These angles are wrong. Are these angles slightly wrong? 23. That's it. Oh, that feels good. All right, and then let's do a conic gradient, which is going to be transparent, 25%, and then white, like that, and then we need to give it the upper corner. So the width, 10, 20. Okay, and then this 120 as well. Probably need an at here, huh? At 30 pixels, 50%. Actually, it's 50%. 30 pixels, there it is. 40, 40, 50, 60, 7. That's going to be based on the height, which is like 110, 100. 90, 80. 75? Too narrow. How do we get this right? Is it 70? Ooh, that's a funky. How about this height is a little low. Is that correct? I don't think I see how that's correct. 71. 69. 70. 25. All right, let's submit that and see if we got that little bit of a line there. I'm concerned that we don't really have a match. 99.9% match. All right, so what's the problem? So to fix this, we do no repeat. And so the height of this needs to be taller too. No, less. 89. 90. That's it. And now we let it repeat. And 59.5. 160. How about a repeat? X. Nope. Just not quite right, is it? Just not quite right. Let's submit that. I mean, I think we know that that's false because we've got an extra line there. Yeah, we're just not quite right. All right. So the other option we can do, we'll do border. So rather than this, I hate to say give up, but border inline, solid, red, 10 pixels red. All right, so that's the correct thing that we're looking for. And because we're constrained on the margins, the borders will do what we want them to do. So this would make our background a little simpler. 40, 60, there it is. And now our background is free to be in your gradient, which is transparent, white to transparent. $90 and $70. That's it. Let's submit and see if we've got it. So yeah, transform skew. For some reason I sometimes think that skew is a core CSS property, but it is not. Oh, and we're only at 99.9%. So what's the problem now? How about a different number here? I don't know. What do we got wrong? We got something wrong. Oh boy. Are we gonna be unhappy? So I'm trying to look in and see. Feels like the crossbar might be a problem, and so I'm adjusting the sizing here. Ugh. Not happy with this at all. Could be these margins. Nope. How about this margin? Nope. Height? Nope. These border widths are good. I don't know what the problem is. If we do a margin of 0 here, then we have to adjust these numbers. And is that any better? Doesn't feel any better. It is still 99.99%. How about 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. I don't know what the problem is. Oh, wait. Was that not truly white? It can't make a difference, but 6-digit color white. I think we stop there. It has been a long time since we've had a 99.9% solution, but disappointingly, that's what we've got here. And I don't see what the problem is. I am not seeing it in the diff. When I scan through, I don't see it. And certainly when I look at the diff, it sure looks dark to me. And adjusting these values, what if we did Q values, just for fun? Why not? Just keep submitting and see. 99.9. Now, sometimes this problem is a problem, and I don't know what to do about it. This looks visually better to me. The 70 pixel solution. So, alright, so you just gotta suck it up and say this is a 99.9% solution. Sometimes there are errors in how they're created or something specific, but we'll stop there. Regardless, CSS and HTML are awesome. Make a web page. They're great. And take care of yourselves. All right, bye-bye.